Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're wrapping up the Wazuh setup series by installing and configuring the Wazuh agent on the Ubuntu desktop. If you followed us so far in the series, by the end of this video you'll have a fully operational Wazuh SIEM stack, including the Wazuh indexer, server, dashboard, and finally the endpoint agent. So what exactly is the Wazuh agent? It's a lightweight service that runs on the endpoints and sends logs directly to the Wazuh server for centralized analysis. This enables real-time monitoring such as threat detection and compliance visibility. Let's dive into the setup. If this is your first time here, check out the previous videos in the playlist to get a full Wazuh stack installation from scratch. Now we're adding the Wazuh repository, which allows us to download and install the Wazuh agent using our package manager. Alright, now we're going to download and install the Wazuh agent on our Ubuntu desktop. Now that it's installed, let's configure the agent to connect to the Wazuh server. Let's go ahead and start the Wazuh agent. This will connect to the Wazuh server and begin setting logs. Next, we're going to allow incoming connections from the Wazuh server from this endpoint, so that the agent can communicate properly. Let's go check out the Wazuh dashboard to view information being forwarded by our agent. As you can see here, it's already picking up activity from previous logs. In the next video, we will be testing this further by simulating a brute force attack using Hydra. Thank you for watching. If this Wazuh series helped you get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when new videos are released.